Most people think the battle for their life happens out there, in the world, in the chaos, in the noise. But the real war, it happens in the dark, inside your mind, where no one can see and no one can help you. Because the truth is brutal, the enemy you've been running from has your face. There's a version of you that wakes up every morning ready to fight. And there's another one, the weak one, the one that whispers, 5 more minutes, you'll try again tomorrow. Years ago, there was this kid, angry, exhausted, hungry for a better life. He thought ambition would save him, but ambition doesn't save people, it devours them. He'd sit in a dark room with a bright screen, scrolling, comparing, destroying his self-worth one swipe at a time. He wanted to become someone, but his mind kept dragging him back to who he used to be. And every night, he'd promise himself, tomorrow, I'll change everything, but tomorrow never came. Because the enemy wasn't time, it wasn't life, it wasn't obstacles, it was the voice in his head telling him he wasn't enough. Everyone has that moment, the breaking point, when your mind turns against you. When you look in the mirror and hate the person staring back. When failure feels permanent. When you stop dreaming because hope hurts too much. You tell yourself you're lazy, weak, undisciplined, but you're not. You're wounded. You've been fighting a silent war for years. Most people never admit this, but ambition has a dark side, a cruel side. It will force you to sacrifice sleep, friends, relationships, mental peace, and still ask, why aren't you doing more? It will make you hate resting and punish you for slowing down. It turns your own mind into a prison. You want to change, but every time you take a step forward, your past drags you back into the dirt. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your mind is not your enemy. It's just untrained. You're not broken. You're undisciplined. And discipline is forged in darkness. This is where your story changes. Not when you succeed, not when it's easy, but right here, when you're at war with yourself. There's a version of you that doesn't quit, doesn't break, doesn't negotiate with weakness. And the moment you decide to become that version, your entire life shifts. If you're done losing to yourself, start rebuilding your discipline, brick by brick. The 21-day discipline blueprint, built for people who are tired of their own excuses. Not motivation, not hype, just war. This war inside you, it won't end tomorrow. It won't end next week. It ends the day you stop negotiating with your weakness. Remember this, pain doesn't destroy you, surrender does. So stand your ground, fight back, and become the version of yourself that people don't recognize anymore.